Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie with WTI and I'm here with Broadway's Clear Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. I've been a lip gloss girl for a long time, so I can tell you a thing or two about what works or not. This lip gloss is thick but not sticky, and it is so moisturizing. I love it. It's almost like the benefits of a chapstick, but with the gloss of a lip gloss. It's kind of become my new favorite thing. So what I really like about it also is that because it's clear, I can put it just over my nude lips with nothing on it, and it gives it that nice moisturized gloss. But I can also have a little tint or lip color with it, and it just makes it like pop. It would work for any skin tone, any lip color. It's just a nice versatile product. And especially for me in the winter season, I get very dry, but I still want that cute shine. So this meets both of my needs of moisturizing, but also aesthetically, it looks very cute. So this is Broadway's Clear Lip Gloss. If you're on the fence about getting it, I would totally recommend to pick it up. And it even comes with several, so you can gift it to your friends, or you can just have some extra for backups for when you run out. But that's just my point of view.